Do you want to know how you can sign in into OnlyFans using your Twitter account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in OnlyFans using your Twitter account. So, go to your Chrome or Edge browser and search for onlyfans.com in the search bar. Now click on the first link which appears and then go to Login. Click on Login and then click on Sign in with Twitter. After you click on it, it will redirect you to this page and then you will be signed in with your Twitter account. Let me show it to you once again how you can sign in with your Twitter account in OnlyFans. Let me go ahead and log out of my Twitter account and then I will click Sign in with Twitter. After you click it, it will redirect you to the OnlyFans after signing in with your Twitter account. So this was a video on how you can sign in OnlyFans using your Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.